Internet. Welcome to Vill Theory. Dog from Half-Life 2 is secretly evil, and we've all been oblivious to it for the past 21 years. Today I will expose Dog for what he's done, and will do in Half-Life 3. To start with how evil Dog is, we have to go back to 2004 in the Valve headquarters when they were designing Dog and coming up with his evil backstory. Guys, I know what we can do to make Dog cool and edgy. We give him an evil camera to record Gordon and Alex in Black Mesa East, and Dog then alerts the Combine to their location. Therefore we have a reason for the Combine appearing out of the blue. This means that Dog is secretly working for the Combine and no one will realize it till someone in 2026 will make a tough video on it. So yes, there is proof that they secretly made Dog evil when making Half-Life 2 and its episodes. Goodbye Internet, welcome to the end of the video.